You did all of the music and sound effects and things, right? And directed?
Yeah, I did.
Fantastic.
Of course, the music and the sound effects had to come from a stock library because otherwise it would have taken too long to produce. And these need to go out on a weekly basis. Or that is the plan anyway. That's how Anthony wanted to put these out, like one episode weekly.
Okay, so how long? I only got the snippet, but how long is the entire episode?
About 23 minutes, 24.
Yep. 23 minutes.
Yeah.
And how long did it take you to produce that one episode?
2 days?
2.5.
2.5
and
days.
then let's say 3 days for the final polish. We did change a couple of things. I mispronounced Roosevelt. It was pointed out by Rebecca. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I said Roosevelt like an idiot. And
That's how it's spelled, to be fair.
Tomato.
I know. And I submitted it to Anthony under its working title, and it was meant to be a proof of concept, but he 100% fell in love with it. It's like, let's just publish it right away. And I was like, hold on. Let's refine it a little bit before it goes out in the air. So yeah, 3 days.
Wow.
There were technical issues on the third day, but really, without that, I guess maybe 2.5.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was amazing. Great job, you guys.
Thank you. That was a lot of fun.
amazing.
It doesn't tire me to hear it over and over again.
So are you then currently working on episode 2? Is it done already?
Yes. No, we're working on it. It's going to be on Oak Island, I believe.
Oh, really? That's an interesting one. I always watch the Oak Island when it's on TV.
Mm.
What is it called? The Legend of Oak Island or the Curse of Oak Island or
I
something
think it was
like
a curse. It gets a little confusing because there's another one called the Roanoke Island Disappearance, which
Roanoke,
absolutely, yeah.
But those two kind of overlap.
Overlap to yeah, they do.
Interesting.
I want to also pitch to Anthony. I don't know if he's listening to this, but the Philadelphia Experiment. I actually talked to Rebecca about that last week, and we went down a rabbit hole of all the strange things that went around the whole military experiment and all the conspiracies that came with it, I suppose. That would make an awesome episode, with all the electric sound effects, the shield activating, the ship disappearing and reappearing somewhere else.